couple months I did a video where I talked about I guess a drawing challenge, or an easy drawing challenge to do, almost for like character design, where you take, I guess, a list of occupations and you take a list of creatures or forms of people or whatever, and you take the two lists and you sort of like cut them out and pull each of them out of a hat, and whatever you come up with you just draw. Today I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I'm about to start my Lucky Draw challenge. This is how the challenge works. I have a group of occupations over here to the left, and I have a group of genders and creatures or whatever here on the right. What I'm basically gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut each one individually out, because I have to hold the camera. I'm gonna have to pause this to do that, but I'm gonna cut each one individually out. I'm gonna put all these in this hat here, and I'm gonna put all these in this hat here as I knock stuff out of the way. And then what I'm gonna do is randomly pull a name, or I guess an occupation, out of this one, and I'm gonna pull a creature out of this one, and whatever I get, I'm gonna draw. Alright, so now I have all of them cut out. What I'm gonna do is take each hat. So I'm gonna take the first hat here, Kevin Owens hat, and I'm gonna take all of these and I'm gonna stick them in the first hat. Hopefully that's the hat that I said that I would have in the beginning for that. If not, oh well, you get the point. And I'm gonna take these for my second hat, D-Generation X hat. I'm a giant wrestling fan, by the way. And I didn't make wrestler as one of these choices. I think about this now. And I'm not gonna go ahead and cut another one out just to stick it in there. I've made my bed, I'm gonna lie in it. Anyways, I'm gonna take these and drop these in here. So now I have these in this hat. And now I'm going to draw. Okay, so I have all my, I guess, things laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the camera. I hope this camera can pick it up. I have these in here, and I have these in this one. So I have them all laid out, and now what I'm gonna do right here in front of the camera, see how annoying this is to like look at and view. And I have a boy. This even shows up how bright this camera is. I'm gonna do the same thing again. A samurai. A samurai. Can this show up on camera? And it's backwards again. Those are my two choices. I actually I threw the boy back in the hat. Why do I do things? Okay, so the two choices that I picked out was a boy and a samurai. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing. I'm gonna create a picture based upon these two choices that I have, and I'm gonna see what comes out of this. I was actually hoping for something a tad bit more complicated, but I didn't get it. But to get an organic sort of reaction or organic, I guess, drawing of this, it would have been too easy if I just got something complicated or something extreme that I wanted to do. But nonetheless, I'll see what my mind comes up with these two choices, and I'm gonna get started on this picture. So I'll have another YouTube video out soon. I don't know if it'll be today or in the next couple days, but I'll have this drawing up, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm about to get the drawing. It's just a little extra drawing exercise just to kill the boredom of always trying to figure out what to draw as a picture or anything. And I said I got the idea from when I was in college. So yeah, if any of you ever tried or anything, just hashtag Lucky Draw Drawing Challenge and send it to me at Shat Assassins, and send me the pictures that you draw, or let me know what you come up with or how you do the drawings yourself. So yeah, I'm about to get to work, and I'll probably be doing more of these drawing challenges soon. But in the meantime, hope you all have a good one. I'm out.